Please give me red hair and let me be the richest person. Huh? Why didn't my hair color change, Mom?
You have to wait 24 hours for it to appear.
24 hours? How am I supposed to prove to my friends that I'm rich? This is so stupid.
My hair color's red. It means I'm rich. Yeah, my hair color's blue. I'm at a high level. What's your hair color, brown?
It hasn't appeared yet.
Well, if it doesn't appear within 24 hours, you're done. We won't ever be friends again.
What?
Today we'll be learning division. Those with red hair enters the highest class, and those with blue enters the lowest.
What class do I enter, sir?
The outstanding class.
Outstanding class?
Yes.
Why is there no one in this outstanding class? I'm the only one. The teacher's so annoying. White hair? I thought only red and blue existed.
Why is your hair color white?
Sir, what does white hair mean?
Why is your hair color white?
Sir, what does white hair mean?
I don't think it means anything.
No meaning?
I suggest you go to the hairdresser and change your hair to another color.
Okay, sir.
Did you guys see Amara's white hair? Finally, someone with a different hair color. I want her hair.
Sir, why is everyone looking at me?
Ignore them. Follow me to the hairdresser.
Okay.
We've arrived. Please close your eyes while they fix your hair. Amara, there's something I want to ask you.
Excuse me, sir. What did you want to say?
I need a piece of your hair for research purposes.
What? No!
Oh my gosh, look at her hair. It's white. I wonder how much money we'd make if we sold it.
Why are people so weird?
Hey, white hair, follow me.
No, you're a stranger.
Just hurry up.
Let go of me. Who are you?
Listen, I'm here to save you. Why won't you hide?
Hide?
Oh, you still don't realize that they're against your white hair, do you?
Let go of me. Who are you?
I'm here to help you. Why won't you hide?
Hide?
So you still don't realize that they're against your white hair, do you?
Why would they be against it?
Your hair is magical. You can ask it anything and it will do it for you.
Anything?
Yes, they want to cut your hair because if they cut it, it won't work anymore.
So I can ask anything, huh? I need to think of something worth asking.
It's safer to stay here. Don't go out because people are looking for you.
But how am I supposed to eat?
Don't worry, I'll bring you food.
I think it's time for me to go to sleep. It's getting late.
Where is the white-haired girl? She's here, sir. Good job. You caught her before anyone else did. That's it. Take the scissors and cut her hair for me.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry, Amara. He offered me a lot of money to do
Wait,
this.
1 second. Before you do anything. Hair, please make everyone forget about my hair color. Did it work?
Did what work? And why am I holding a scissors? What is this thing?
Wait, so you can't see my hair color?
Yes, I can. It's blue. You're poor. That explains why you're sleeping in this underground garage. Anyways, we have a job we need to get to.
Okay, I hope I get a rich family. Mafia? I don't want a mafia family.
Hey, Amara.
Hey,
Why do you look so shocked?
you usually wear very simple clothes to school. Why do you look so luxurious?
Because my family are rich. They own so many companies. I got the option to have a rich family today, and I accepted.
Today, I have to get a family richer than all my friends. Ew, I don't want an ordinary family. That's boring. They have to be rich.
Amara, why don't you have a family?
Because I declined it. I'm sure I'll get a rich family soon.
Oh my gosh, don't you know that we're only given 3 family options? You could become homeless and end up sleeping under a bridge.
Under a bridge?
Yes.
Okay, this is the last time I get an option, so please give me a rich family. Okay, this is the last time I get an option, so please give me a rich family. Huh? Royal family? But isn't the kingdom only in Tales? Anyways, it's better than not having a family.
Finally, you have a family.
Yes, I don't want to live under a bridge because I don't have a family.
What is your family?
My family lives at the palace.
If that's the case, you should find a palace and go live with them.
Excuse me, sir. Do you know the address of the royal family?
Why? There's only one royal family and someone already got royal family, so you're lying.
I'm not lying.
Okay, prove it. Here's the address to the palace. Look at that girl claiming to be a royal. Didn't the other blonde girl also say the royal family was her family? How could two people get royal family?
Okay, I'm here at the address. Why is there no one to open the door?
What do you need?
I'm here to be with my family.
You have the wrong address.
No, I have the right address. This is the palace.
Nope, sorry.
I have to find a way to get in through the back.
We can't believe it. We finally got to meet our new daughter.
Excuse me, your majesties.
Who are you?
She's lying to you both. She didn't get royal family. I did.
No, I'm not. She is. Silence. We're gonna have to check which one of you is lying. Put your families on public. I already did.
Me too. See, I wasn't lying.
Neither was she.
Wait, what? Hopefully I'll get a red heart. Mom, I got a green heart.
That means your soulmate already has another girl and they love each other.
They love each other?
Just fake the color of your heart so no one knows. And remember, never tell anyone you got green.
Okay, I think this looks real, right? I don't think anyone will notice. Hey Jake, you're cheating on me, admit it.
What are you talking about? Both our hearts are red.
I know you're cheating, I have proof.
Where? Show me. But Mom said I can't reveal the green heart. See, you're just trying to accuse me.
Yeah, you're right. Morning everyone, what's the color of your heart?
We all got red, meaning our soulmates aren't cheating on us. So, I'm the only one who got green. Amara, you have to help me. I got a green heart.
Wait, why are you so worried?
People say if you get a green heart, you'll get kicked out of the school.
That can't be true, just calm down.
Okay, I trust you. But what's your color?
What do you mean? It's red.
It looks weird. It's a different shade of red than the others. I have to get out of here before she finds out.
Hey, see you in class, okay?
Whoever got green, come to the front. Hurry up, otherwise I'm gonna have to check myself.
Sir, she has a green heart.
What the heck, Amara?
Sir, what did you just do?
Whoever has a green heart has to die. Why would you snitch on Sarah?
I don't know, I panicked and I didn't know he would kill her.
He did it because the green color is considered to interfere with the happiness of the soulmate. Can we stop talking about this? We're safe.
I can't help but feeling guilty. Mom, I'm home.
Why do you look sad? Is it because of the Sarah incident at school?
Huh? How come you know? I haven't told you yet.
I heard from your friends. Anyway, it's not your fault. But remember, keep your green heart hidden.
Yes, Mom, but until when?
You have to hide it forever. It's weird. Amara has a red heart, but she still hasn't met her soulmate. You didn't fake your color, did you?
Me? No.
It would be really bad if you did.
I know, I would never.
Guys, don't listen to her. She's lying. She definitely faked it. Show us now. Yes, show us your mark. Gosh, Amara, the color of your heart has changed to black.
Black? What does a black heart mean?
A black heart means...
Black? What does a black heart mean?
A black heart means... It means that your soulmate's having unpredictable love problems.
Maybe he's having troubles with his girlfriend.
No, it's much worse than you think. And the black color is more targeted by our teacher.
That means I have to fake my sign again so that nothing happens to me. Okay, I've changed it back to red. Hopefully no one will snitch on me. Why is it that only girls get green hearts and boys don't?
Because almost no girl cheats. Girls are more loyal.
What? That's not true.
Anyway, what's important is you need to keep your color hidden. The teacher can't know.
By the way, where did Gemma go?
I don't know. She said she was going to go and speak with the teacher.
Our teacher?
Someone told me that there's a person with a black heart in the school.
Who told you, sir?
It doesn't matter, but a black heart is really dangerous. We have to catch them.
What if the teacher finds out it's me and he kills me? Who will save my soulmate then?
Amara, you have to get out of the school before anyone finds out because you're being targeted.
But why? I love school.
I'm only saying this because I'm your friend.
Why is the police here?
They found more people with green hearts, so they're here to capture them. I need to get out of here before it's too late. Why are you always late? I'm so hungry.
Sorry, babe. I was busy with something.
Since you're late, you have to pay for my food.
You want me to pay for your food? You cheated on me and you still haven't admitted it.
How have I cheated? We both have red hearts. That's true. This means he's not my soulmate.
You know what? I don't love you anymore. I'm breaking up with you.
Amara, wait.
So, I'm the only one in town with a black heart. I have to find my soulmate before it's too late. Things can get worse.
Honey, get ready. We're gonna have guests over.
Who's coming?
You'll see. Can you get that?
What's up, Emily?
Amara, come with me. You can't be in your house.
Why can't I be in my house? What's wrong?
I know the location of your soulmate. He's in danger. We have to hurry up and go.
How do you know?
I'll tell you later. Amara, come in. The guests are already here. Guests?
I'm sorry, I can't come with you. We have guests.
Wait! Amara, this is who I wanted to introduce you to.
Sir, what are you doing at my house? Are my grades that bad?
No, I want to take you out for a walk. Why is the color of the teacher's heart also black? It's the same color as mine. You're going on a vacation with the teacher for 3 days.
A vacation? With my teacher? I wonder how many mistakes I've made. Huh? 0? That means I've never done anything wrong, right? I'll just put it on private so that my friends don't think I'm arrogant.
You're the one who let my food burn in the oven, right? I told you to take it out on time.
No, it wasn't me, Mom. Why do you always accuse me?
I know you have a lot of mistakes. That's why you put it on private, right?
No, I put it on private because...
Stop making excuses.
Excuse me, sir. Am I in this class?
Well, it depends. How many mistakes do you have?
100.
That means you're in the lowest class, Class D.
Class D?
Why is Class A empty? Apparently, only one person can enter Class A. It's the person with 0 mistakes. They'll give that person something special.
Something special? Like what?
Don't worry about it, because it's definitely not you. You're the one who stole all the exam answers.
No, sir. It wasn't me.
She's lying. Her mistakes are private. I'm sure she just says that to not get accused.
That's not true. You're all wrong.
Okay, if you didn't cheat, make your mistakes on public to prove yourself.
Okay, sir.
She must have a lot of mistakes. Okay, if you didn't cheat, make your mistakes on public to prove yourself. She must have a lot of mistakes.
How comes it's not working?
Right, you must be lying then.
But, sir, my mistakes are on 0.
That's it. I'm giving you a detention. I'm gonna give you 10 assignments. I'll collect them tomorrow. Make sure you do all of them, okay?
Mom, look. The teacher gave us 10 assignments.
Good. Maybe you'll erase some of your mistakes since you have so many.
But I don't think I've ever done anything wrong.
I'm ashamed of you. Our neighbors are talking about you all the time and how bad you are. Fix yourself.
Yes, Mom.
Amara, what are you cooking? It's burned.
Oh, I forgot to turn off the stove.
You keep making mistakes. I'm tired.
But how comes my mistakes aren't increasing? Sis, why can't the number of my mistakes be published?
The number of your mistakes are 0, right?
How do you know? I haven't told you yet.
Because mine's the same, although I do mistakes all the time.
But why can't we put ours on public like everyone else?
Because no one's supposed to know that we make mistakes and still have 0 mistakes. If they find out about this error, they'll fix it and we'll be just like everyone else.
Okay, well, good thing it didn't work because I tried putting mine on public.
You tried putting yours on public? Oh no.
What?
It usually takes 24 hours before it goes public.
Wait, what? You need to help me. How do I remove it? I don't want mine to go on public.
Don't worry, I know a guy.
This is the guy you know? He's a kid.
Hey, don't be rude, otherwise I won't help.
Okay, fine.
Here, drink this. It should reset your decision.
So, did it work?
Yep, all you need to do is pick private and you should be fine. Okay, now every time you get that option, just continue to press private. Like that, your number will never be public.
Okay, thank you so much.
Honey, you have 80 years remaining, right?
Yep.
Can you donate your heart to your sister? She only has 12 days left.
But Mom, if I donate my heart, I'll die.
No, you won't die. It takes 8 years for your heart to grow
Are
again.
you sure?
Yes, just donate your heart now.
Okay.
Amara, how are you living without a heart?
My mom said my heart will grow back.
Grow back? Are you serious?
I'm only joking. I didn't actually donate my heart. I only told her I did.
Oh, so you didn't donate your heart.
Nope, my mom doesn't really care about me. She only cares about my sister.
I feel sorry for you. Class, today we'll be speaking about our families. Why does the teacher always like to speak about our families? She's just trying to avoid teaching us because she's lazy. Amara, you go first.
But miss, I don't want to.
Tell us your family story, otherwise you'll get a detention.
Okay, so my mom and dad got divorced a long time ago, and my sister has a heart disease. She's dying in 12 days, and since I have 80 years to live, my mom told me to donate my heart to her. Why are you all so silent? Did I say something wrong? Why are your eyes red? Are you crying?
Yes, I'm crying because of your family story. It's so sad.
Whoa, the whole class is raising funds for me.
Amara, honey,
Mom, what are you doing at school?
your sister needs the heart right now. We need to go to the hospital.
A rose or a cactus? What's a cactus? Morning, Mom.
Good morning, my sweet. Ouch! Why is your skin spiky?
Why is your hand bleeding?
It's because I touched you. You definitely chose cactus.
Yeah, I did.
Put on this jacket right now. Don't let anyone touch you. They'll get hurt.
My new school smells amazing.
That's because everyone here picked roses.
Roses?
Yeah, you picked rose too, right?
Yeah, of course I did.
Wow, I love your nails.
Don't touch me.
Huh? Why can't I touch you?
Because I don't want you to.
You're weird. I don't want to be friends with you anymore. How comes you don't shake the teacher's hand every time you come to class like the rest of us?
I just forget, that's all.
It doesn't make sense. You're weird. Guys, I just heard that people are pretending to have picked roses. Amara's definitely lying. She doesn't let anyone touch her. Get her now.
See how much people hate me or see how much people love me? I choose see how much people love me. Bye, Mom. I'm going to school.
Why'd you even bother going to school? Your grades are so low. Look at your friend Amanda. She always gets top grades.
What kind of a mother loves her child only 20%? Babe, we're working together on the group project, right?
No, sorry. I'm working with Amanda.
Oh, okay. If you don't love me, you could have just said it. Sir, I want to collect my assignments.
You're always late. Look at your friend Amanda. She's always on time.
Why does nobody like me at all? If I get rid of Amanda, surely everyone will love me, right? I'll just give her this drink. It will make sure she's gone forever. Hi, Amanda. Try this drink. I made it especially for you.
Thank you so much, Amara.
You're welcome. I guessed it. Of course, I'm never going to be anyone special. Hey, what are you guys doing?
Sorry, but from now, we can't be friends again. Yeah, we don't want to be friends with you.
Why not?
Because you're an ordinary person. I'm the child of a company owner. We're not on the same level. And I'm a mafia kid. Class, today we'll be doing history. Please make sure only special students are in this class.
But sir, where do ordinary people go?
You need to go to the ordinary people class. Oh, look who we have here. I knew you'd end up working as a waitress.
Can I take you guys' order?
Amara, there's someone who wants to order tea. Please deliver it to table 8.
Why not you?
Because he said he wanted you to deliver
Me?
it. Yes, hurry up.
Here's your tea, sir.
Thank you. At the request of the prince, I'm here to invite you to the palace.
Why me?
Because the prince said you're his childhood friend and he wants to meet you.
What? Wait, why is my status loading? Hurry up and give me the rain symbol. Wait, hold on, son? But my mom and dad both have the rain symbol.
Oh my gosh, hurry up. Cover that symbol. Here's some makeup.
Huh? Why do I have to cover it up, Mom?
Because I cheated on your dad and your real dad had the sun symbol. Hurry up, cover it.
Cheated? Does that mean I'm not your child?
You're ridiculous. Of course you're my child. I gave birth to you. Amara, stop running away. Let me call your mom.
No, don't touch me. I'm gonna tell Dad that you're a cheater.
Oh, I already know. I've also cheated on her before. Huh? When did you cheat on me? If I'm not mistaken, the day after our wedding.
What is wrong with you people?
Oh my gosh, Amara, you got the sun symbol?
Yeah, I did.
How come? Your parents both have the rain symbol.
I don't know.
I heard it's really hard to get the sun symbol. My cousin gave birth to 100 kids just to have one with the sun symbol.
100 kids?
Yep, so you're very lucky.
Lucky? Why?
You didn't know? Only people with the sun symbol can marry the king.
Marry the king? I don't even want to.
Hey, are you talking bad about the king? Get her.
Hey, let go of me. Why am I in handcuffs?
You will stay here until the king comes and decides how to punish you.
Please let go of me. I have a maths exam soon. If I don't show up, I'll be in big trouble.
Wait, the king also have a maths exam today. Maybe he's your classmate. Let's take her to him. Okay, let's do it.
Excuse me, miss. I'm so sorry I'm late for the exam. I was kidnapped and handcuffed and they finally let go of me.
Your excuse doesn't make sense, but because I'm in a good mood, just come in. Hey, you're cheating off my paper!
What are you doing? Did you just hit that guy?
Yeah, he's an idiot. He keeps cheating.
He's bleeding. Are you okay?
Hey you, aren't you the girl from earlier? Yeah, I remember her because she has the sun symbol. Oh my gosh, our king, what did you do to him?
It wasn't me. And who's the king? Who are you talking about?
It's me.